now let's go ahead and finish up our wood texture project. As we can see here, we've with our Liquify, we have created a little bit of waves and knot holes here, and just kind of made this look really more like wood. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of clean this up just a little bit. Let's go to our adjustments. Click on our program here. Let's go to adjustments, image adjustments. Let's go to brightness and contrast a little bit. And let's see if we can just pick this out just a little bit more. See, we can actually lighten this up a little bit. Take our contrast out if we feel that we have too much grain in it. There we go. I kind of like this. This looks like old Western style. Really kind of old and neat looking. Yeah, I like this color a lot. I think we're going to suggest it just a little bit more. Now if we take it down, we can actually get, ooh, this is a softer wood. This almost looks real. But I'm going to take it mine back up because I really do kind of like this Western feel we got here, this old black and white Western feel. There we go. So there's our wood texture in a nutshell. And we created this out of nothing. This is pure imagination and pure just ingenuity of what you want to do. So play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.